So we should first of all know the background of the lesson. First, it means initial medical help that is given to the injured person. So, as far as the background of the lesson is concerned, after the 19th century, the vehicles were developed and the numbers of cars and the motorcycles increased on the road. As we see the increase ratio in cars and motorcycles on the roads, the traffic increased in the United States of America and European countries as well. And then accidents became very common, and the need to provide first aid to accident victims arose everywhere. So it was thought that everybody should have the basic knowledge of first aid. First aid, which means initial help or assistance given to someone who is injured, who may have some scrape, some cuts, or some minor injuries that can be treated at home. So if a person gets sick or injured, that person needs help. Instead that we rush and see the doctor, we can give an immediate help or assistance to that patient, to that injured one. So first aid helps us in a way that we can help that person who is injured, the person who is sick, and that person get better if that person is given an immediate help or immediate aid, and he can get the initial treatment. And if that person requires further examination, further treatment, then we can take that person to the doctor according to his convenience.